Hello everyone, I welcome you to this session of my updates on the construction of our 2-bedroom 2-story apartment. The previous episode took us through the beginning of the decking, including the steelwork. In this very video, we will be looking at the plumbing and electrical works. Couple of pressure pipes were purchased at this stage for the pipe laying and extension of waste and roof gutters. That is the plumber on site, and he is careful with his calculations and estimations. As you can see in this video, pipes are neatly positioned and ready for casting. Electricians were also here to lay their circular boxes and pipes. It was indeed a day. The rain couldn't stop them. They ensured everything was laid before leaving. This video was taken the following day. As you can see, the electrician did a good job amidst the rain. All works are done now, and the foreman is on site to prepare for the casting of the floor. In my next episode, I will be talking about the casting of the floor. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.